Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've signed in and confirmed billing. Now begin. Open Ads Manager and choose the account you'll use. Once selected, tap Create Campaign and pick a single objective like traffic or conversions so your optimization aligns with outcomes. Make sure the objective fits your goal, otherwise the platform will optimize the wrong action. Next, name the campaign clearly, include dates or product codes for quick reference, then move directly to defining your budget and schedule. With the campaign created, you'll assemble the ad set. First, choose whether to enable a /B testing to compare creatives or targeting. That produces clear, data-driven wins. Next, set a daily or lifetime budget and select start and end dates. Make sure pacing matches your goals so spend is steady. Then define the audience precisely. Add locations, age ranges, interests, or custom lists. Once done, decide placements, automatic for simplicity or manual to prioritize feeds or stories, and prepare. You're at the finish line. Upload your images or video, write concise primary text and a strong headline, and select a clear CTA. Preview the ad across placements to ensure formatting is correct, then review the summary and publish. After launch, monitor CPC, CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS daily so you can pause underperformers or reallocate budget. If something breaks, check for disapproved ads, too narrow audiences, or pacing problems. Fix the violation or broaden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.